project, Occupancy Detection for Smart Homes. It deals with the number of visitors inside a room or workspace, thus creating a logic and managing the electrical systems around it for conservation of energy. It constitutes various sensors and modules as follows. We have Arduino Uno embedded with 8-bit AVR Atmega 328 microcontroller based on ARM and RISC architecture. Next, we have ultrasonic sensors, which transmits and receive ultrasonic frequencies bounced back from an obstacle, thus calculating its distance. We have short-range infrared sensors generally used as proximity sensor under a defined range of field. Next, we used H.C05 Bluetooth module for serial wireless communication between embedded systems. For understanding its working principle, let us assume that let the average lateral width of a person be width of this cup for reference. Also let us define number of visitors by count. As long as value of count is 0, the LED will remain off, which resembles an electrical equipment. Here, sensors are placed on the lateral cross-section of the door, so, when a person enters a room across a door, the sensor which is closer will send high output to Arduino. Simultaneously, ultrasonic sensors calculate the width of the obstacle and checks whether it falls within a range of average person width. Using these sets of logics, it will increase count by 1, and LED will turn on. So, similarly, when another person enters a room next, the value of count will increase 1, and value is updated on the app in smartphone. Now, when a person exits a room across a door, the left I.R module will give high output earlier than right one, and thus using this logic, the value of count is decremented. As the value of count gets 0, the LED which was on will get turned off. What happens when two persons simultaneously crosses the door at the same time? Let us consider this box's width as the average width of combined two persons, which are going to cross across the door. In this case, I.R modules will work in same manner, but here, as ultrasonic sensor will calculate the width of the obstacle, it will notice that the width lies in the range of two average persons' width. So it will instruct the app to increase count by 2. Similarly, when two persons simultaneously crosses the door at same time, the value of count or visitors gets depreciated by factor of 2. As soon as the value of count becomes 0, LED will switch to off state, signifying all the required electrical equipments are in offline state.